From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of cluttered closets and tangled messes? I just discovered the Utopia home plastic hangers, space-saving, and they're a total game changer. These innovative hangers are designed to make the most of your closet space, and I'm excited to share their benefits with you. With their sleek and slim design, they fit smoothly into any closet, allowing you to see every outfit you own without digging through a pile of clothes. The durable plastic build is bend-free, so you can hang your heaviest jeans or a thick winter coat without worrying about the hanger giving way. The built-in strap hooks are a genius feature, gripping delicate straps securely, so your favorite tank tops and camisoles stay in place. I've been using them for my everyday staples, and they work perfectly as shirts, pants, and coat hangers, keeping my clothes wrinkle-free and organized. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a smart addition to any home organization routine. I've been using these hangers for a while now, and I can tell you that they've transformed my closet from chaotic to neat. The sound of clothes sliding smoothly onto the hangers, the feel of the sturdy plastic, and the result of a clutter-free closet are just a few reasons why I love these hangers. Whether you're a college student, an apartment dweller, or just someone looking to upgrade your closet, the Utopia home plastic hangers are a must-have. They're perfect for anyone looking to elevate their wardrobe and keep their clothes organized, and I highly recommend giving them a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.